In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and organize your TradingView account to enhance your trading experience. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, effectively managing your charts and watch lists is crucial for keeping up with the fast-paced world of financial markets. First, let's log into your TradingView account. Once you've done that, you'll notice the right side panel of your screen. This is where you'll find the watch list and your trading charts. The watch list is a vital tool that allows you to keep track of your favorite symbols and quickly scan for opportunities. On the other hand, your trading charts are where the real action happens, letting you visualize market data in real time. To make the most out of your charts, TradingView offers a feature to organize them using filters. Filtering allows you to categorize your charts based on different criteria, such as asset type or trading strategy. By taking a few moments to properly categorize, you can quickly pivot between different charts and gain insights without getting overwhelmed by too much information. It's all about creating an environment where decision-making is swift and informed. In addition to managing your existing charts, TradingView makes it straightforward to add new symbols to your watch list. Simply locate the plus sign next to your watch list on the panel. Clicking on it will prompt you to search for a symbol. Whether you're interested in stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or commodities, just enter your desired symbol into the search bar and add it to your watch list. This enables you to tailor your watch list over time, ensuring it aligns with your trading needs and goals. One of the many highlights of TradingView is its user-friendly interface, which allows you to effortlessly flip through charts, manage strategies, and stay updated with market trends. By organizing your charts and symbols, you can efficiently monitor various markets and manage multiple strategies without hassle. This is particularly useful for those who follow diverse financial instruments or employ different trading approaches. You'll find yourself saving precious time that can be better spent analyzing and executing trades. To wrap up, by following these steps, you'll find logging into TradingView and managing your charts and watch list to be a seamless, intuitive process. The platform's powerful tools are designed to help you stay on top of your trading game and navigate the markets with confidence. So take the time to organize your charts, add relevant symbols, and keep your dashboard clutter-free. By doing so, you'll ensure that every trading session is productive, insightful, and well organized. Happy trading!